Loving vibrations, light information, peace vibrations, healing the nation, unity vibrations, it's a love celebration, yeah, with limitless vibrations.
Okay. Greetings, fellow Earthlings. This is Limitless Vibrations presenting you with another edition. Maybe I should change my intro, I'm not sure. But welcome everybody to this video. Been wanting to make this video for a little while now, but I wasn't prepared and I wasn't ready. But now I'm ready. I'm ready to share with you all my portfolio for my cryptocurrency portfolio for financial freedom in 2021-2022. Thank you for joining in. So I want to show you all my portfolio, not get too technical with this, not make this too long. I just want to show you all what coins I'm holding and share a little bit of info about them. And then next video, I want to make a more in-depth video on my strategy for taking profits, my strategy for exiting the bull run, my strategy for financial freedom. This video, I'm just going to share with you all my top crypto coins. Okay, let's get into it. Let's share okay, so here we go. So this is CoinGecko, and if you're new to cryptocurrencies, welcome. I started in June of 2020, right after the pandemic, and I'm just looking for ways to make money online and invest, you know. So I got into trading and I got into stocks and I got into cryptos as well. And yeah, I'm really grateful that it all happened, because I'm not sure if I would have actually even gone into this like fully in. So I just dived deep and I went all in. I went all in with all my money, and you know, because I really deeply, truly believe that this is the future of the world. And I believe this because I believe in the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies. Mostly all cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning that there's no central authority governing it, no central bank holding your funds, looking at the funds, taking your funds, trading your funds. No, it's not like that. It's just us, like retail traders, investors, investing into these coins and not having anybody mess around with it. So that's what I love about it. So the first, so if you just look at the market, all you can see right here is everything is in the greens for the last 7 days. And well, if you take a look at the yearly in the more macro perspective, you'll see everything is going parabolic, meaning everything is increasing in price, meaning that this is the beginning of the bull run. So which the bull run means is that everything's increasing in price, everything is exponentially growing in its value. So 25%, 23% for Bitcoin for the week, 32% for Ethereum, 33 Polkadot, 53% XRP, 38% Cardano, Chainlink, 17%, 40% Stellar, VeChain. Yeah, so this is my portfolio. This is my portfolio. This is everything that I hold. Let me just show you 1 second. I want to take a look at CoinGecko, the main page. So I want to show you all of these cryptocurrencies. So it's not just I have a certain amount, but there's hundreds of different coins that you can invest in. And well, to be honest, like if you invest in any of these, especially the past week, everything is up. You know, you just look at the market, everything's up, everything's trending up. It means that the buyers are taking control. And look at this percentage gains over the last 7 days. Dogecoin is 400%. It was actually like 1,000%. It went straight pumped and dumped, and now it's at 0.0379 cents. So everything's going up. Look at this. Nothing is in red, especially like barely anything in red. Look at that. That's crazy. Where do you see that? You don't even see that in the stock market. Look at that. This is insane. So there's hundreds and hundreds of different coins. Look, this is so many pages, 63 pages even of different coins that you can invest in, and 100 per page. So I mean, like, it's just crazy. So there's just so many different things you can invest in. And look at this, crazy. So this is the best time to put your money in. When everything is, look at this, like this, when everything is in an accumulation phase, when everything is going through consolidation, and everything is flat, like going up and down, but not rising in price. So that's the best time to invest. And that's when I pretty much got in. That's when I pretty much got into cryptocurrencies, around June, when everything was in accumulation phase, and it was just not even the beginning of the bull market. It was like right before it. And I personally believe, what are you doing? I need this information. I personally believe that we are at the beginning of the bull market right now. Like right now is the best time. This is the beginning of it, you know, not the best time to invest, but is the beginning of it, pretty much. So this is what I hold. I hold Bitcoin, not as my main percentage. It's broken up into percentages wise. So I have 15 cryptocurrencies I hold. So Bitcoin is the main one that pretty much everybody holds on to, because it is the first crypto that was created, and which pretty much paved the way for everything else. And then Ethereum followed after that, and other ones as well. So Bitcoin, I hold about like 10% of my portfolio, like 10% is in Bitcoin. And I could have put it more, but honestly, I feel like there's so much more projects to invest in, and I didn't have enough capital to put more. But I'm constantly doing my best to dollar cost average, meaning that I put in a certain amount of money every time it dips, meaning it always rises in price, but it always comes back down as well. So in the bull market, you'll see that everything goes up, and then it comes back down to pull back to a certain area, which is a certain key area of resistance and support, and then it goes back up again. So when it goes down like that is the best time to dollar cost average and buy more of that certain coin. So I have Bitcoin. I have also Ethereum, which I believe is going to go around $20,000, $15,000 to $20,000 by the end of the year, in 2021. When I believe the bull market will end for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it'll end for all the other altcoins around beginning of 2022. So I'll probably see 150,000 to 200,000 Bitcoin. And we got Polkadots, which I got in around $5. I got in Ethereum around $500. Bitcoin around $16,000. I got in around the accumulation phase. Not like it was a good time to invest, but yeah, I got in a little bit early, but not as early as the people who, when everything crashed in March. I'll show you the market. This is the Bitcoin dominance, meaning that this is the percentage of what Bitcoin dominates the market. So if you take a look, this is the daily. We should go to the weekly. So look at this. When Bitcoin dominance is high, it means that Bitcoin is dominating the market, and all eyes are on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up, Bitcoin's dominating the market like crazy. When Bitcoin dominance goes down, it means altcoins are starting to take dominance over the market, and more money is flooding into altcoins rather than Bitcoin. So around January 18th, around the end of the bull market for Bitcoin, was when we got it to around 36%, 35% Bitcoin dominance, which is amazing because all of that money from Bitcoin, people took profits and then they put it into altcoins, meaning altcoins are different than Bitcoin. Everything else other than Bitcoin is altcoin. And then they put it into altcoins, and the altcoins just went crazy, parabolic in January 2018. And that was the end of the altcoin bull market. And right now we are at 62% Bitcoin dominance. And we got to break this key level of resistance here, which is probably going to happen in the next few weeks. February is generally a good month for the bull market, for the bears, for the altcoins and Bitcoin. So I expect things to go back down here around 2021, end of 2021, 2022. We can take our Fibonacci too as well. From the highs to swing lows over here. Okay, maybe this 47%. Things can retrace, but I don't expect it to go retrace. 57%, 52%, and 46% is areas to watch out for. So anyways, we're gonna go back to my holdings here. I have Polkadot, 5%, 6% of that in my portfolio. I also have XRP, which is used as a security. No, not security. It's used to transfer large amount of money, fast transactions. Big banks. This is centralized. XRP is centralized. I also hold Cardano. Cardano is a great project. Cardano ADA is sitting at 43%. I got in when it was around 11 cents. This is in USD. I also hold Chainlink, DeFi, the biggest DeFi coin. Stellar, Stellar Lumens, Beta Network, VeChain, Elrond, Zilliqa, Icon, SingularityNET, VTOR token. So I'm not going to get into too much details, but I'll just share with you my biggest holding is VeChain. My biggest holding is VeChain. One reason because I love the fundamentals of this project. I love the use of this project. I love, everything about it pretty much is really bullish for me. Like the use case, the utilities, used as a supply chain to track. For instance, if you take a look at it's aiming to solve real world problems. So that is the key with finding cryptos that are going to succeed, that are actually solving real world problems and are actually going to provide real world use and going to help out in some way. So this is they're going to provide like a certain barcode on a wine bottle, for instance, and you can scan that wine barcode, and you can track where that wine has been and make sure it's actually legit, instead of wine being from like very sketchy place and not even filled with proper wine or whatever. So it's aiming to provide supply chain solutions, which is a problem we have in the real world today. And it's only around 2 cents, less than 3 cents, so this has a small market cap, and you can buy a lot of tokens. You can buy a lot of tokens for this price. So if you have $1,000, you can get 28,000 VeChain tokens, which is great. Beta Network is one of my other favorite projects. Sitting at $2. I got in around 60 cents. Zilliqa is another one of my favorite projects. sitting at around 7 cents, and you can actually stake this coin, meaning you can put it in a pool of nodes, and it increases in value over time. They offer you at least 14% APY interest every year. So if you hold around 100,000 Zilliqa, you'll get around 14,000 a year extra just for holding it. So that is great. That is great news. Zilliqa is great for fast transactions. Very, very fast transactions. Very, very, very fast transactions. Icon SingularityNET is one of my, this is the main coin that I actually believe is going to be bigger than Google, bigger than Amazon, bigger than a lot of these big giant industries and applications, bigger than Apple. Yeah. SingularityNET. So let's take a look. 1 second. I wrote notes, but I don't want to look at them right now. So let's look. SingularityNET is a decentralized marketplace for artificial intelligence. The business value of AI is becoming clearer each day. However, there's a significant gap between the people developing AI tools, researchers and academics, and the businesses that want to use them. Most organizations need a more customized solution than what a single AI project can offer, and research projects oftentimes have trouble accessing a large enough data set build effective machine learning. SingularityNET closes these gaps. So this is the power of AI to provide that artificial intelligence where humans lack, and making everything a lot more easier for humans. The long-term vision of the SingularityNET team is to build a network of complex AI agent interactions, primarily using the resources from the Open Cog Foundation. To look at this further, let's take a look at their in-house built humanoid robot, Sophia. So if you've seen the robot Sophia, very, very famous. Sophia uses a combination of AI agents that range from natural language processing to physical motor controls to operate. You tell Sophia to summarize a video that's embedded in a web page. To do this, Sophia sends a request to Agent A through its agent AI. Agent A knows that Agent B specializes in analyzing, transcribing video, while Agent C specializes in summarizing text. Yeah, so Singularity wants to build a decentralized protocol for creators and users of AI to interact with each other, not to only help individual projects by leveraging the strengths of other AI systems that might handle certain tasks better, but ultimately to develop SingularityNET into a functioning AI system itself. So yeah, anything to do with AI is going to excel. Is going to succeed, is going to excel, because if you see the future, what we're heading, you know that everything is becoming more robotic, everything's becoming more digital, everything is becoming, yeah, exactly that. You know, it doesn't take a genius to recognize that, but we just got to see what the future is going to be like, you know, and use it to our, like, to have that awareness, to use it to your advantage, to help yourself grow. So I got quite a good bag of SingularityNET. Yeah. So that's my portfolio. That's my portfolio. And you may ask, where can I get these coins? So I use this application called, I'll show you right here. This is the application I use. You can download it on your phone, so you don't actually use it on your computer. You download and use it on your phone. It's better than way better than Coinbase, because when you first sign up, Coinbase has so many fees, man. It's crazy. Very easy to use, but you can buy a lot of coins here. Most of these coins that I bought, you can buy on crypto.com. On Coinbase, you cannot buy. So Coinbase is behind. I think the first month when you sign up, there's no fees. And this is the amazing thing about this app. You can actually get a Visa card. You can get a Visa card for your crypto. So say you don't even want to use a bank, you can just like, if you just want to like use your crypto to buy things, you can actually do that with these cards. Or if you sell your crypto, you don't even have to sell it. You don't even have to bring it back to your bank account. You can actually use your crypto card and buy things with that. So yeah, yeah, that's one way to avoid taxes, maybe. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I used to buy it. And then I have this wallet called Exodus. It's a free wallet. You don't have to pay for this. Very good wallet. You can store a lot of these coins on them. But I actually hold my cryptos on various different platforms. Actually, I have like 6 different platforms of which I hold them on. So I hold them on crypto.com. I hold them on Exodus. I hold them on Celsius. Celsius network. This is my favorite wallet. The reason why, I'll show you 1 second. This is supposed to be a short video, but it's kind of, there's so much information. So this is also what you use on your phone as well. So this is basically pretty much both phone based. You don't really need a computer to buy and invest in crypto, but you just use your phone. So the great thing about Celsius is you can actually earn interest on your cryptos just for holding it, leaving it there. When is your bank going to do that? It's never going to do that. So yeah, I just realized I wasn't really looking at the camera, but now I'm looking at the camera. So yeah, you earn interest on your cryptos just for holding. So that's great. So I have crypto.com, I have Exodus, I have Celsius, I also have Trust Wallet, where I bought AGI, one of the rare coins, on KuCoin. That is like the only coin that you can't buy on crypto.com. Every other coin I bought on crypto.com. And I also stake some of my coins as well for adding interest on them. So I earn passive income for my coins. So yeah, yeah, if you wanna, if you enjoyed this video, please, well, I don't really care what you do. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, whatever, like it, whatever, you don't have to like it, whatever do you want. But yeah, I want to make another video on my bullet exit strategy, on how to exit, how to make profits, and yeah, exactly, become financially free, because this is why we're here, to experience life to our fullest capability. You know, we don't want to be like limited to money. Like, we don't want to be limited by money anymore. We want to be free from it, you know. And depending on what kind of person you are in this life, you don't really need that much, you know. For me, I'm frugalist. I'm very frugal, and I don't require a lot of money to have that freedom, you know. I don't require that much. But for me, I have goals in my life, and we all have goals, you know. I want to buy land, I want to sail, I want to, yeah, build my own home, and it requires some money to do that, you know. So you need money, but you use it as a tool to fuel the life that you want to live. You know, use that as a tool. Do not be consumed by it. And this is why I believe that cryptocurrencies is the future, and is the main key for obtaining financial freedom for many of us. So to me personally, this is a gold mine that anybody can dive into, you know. Anybody can dive into. You don't even need a degree. You don't need a PhD. You don't need a doctor's editorial resign. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying. You don't need any of that. You just need yourself, and you need a little bit of money. That's it. And as you grow, you put more and more and more, and you put whatever you're comfortable with putting into it. You know, for me personally, I believe this is the future, and I know it. I feel it, and yeah, it's definitely profitable. It's been profitable for me, and it's going to continue to be profitable. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Yeah, Peace, love, light.